Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama. It's currently up 23%. Over the last 1 week, the last 1 month has seen Kusama go up by 43.4%. Good times are returning back to the altcoin market. We're seeing double-digit gains across the board. Kusama currently trades around the $26 level. How high do we expect it to go in the coming days and the coming weeks? What's our all-season target for Kusama? Where those key levels where we'll face resistance as we're pumping to higher prices. Also take a look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin. Take a look at Kusama's market cap. Can we see Kusama's market cap rally to as high as $1 billion before the end of the year? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Kusama currently trades around $26. This has been a long and brutal bear market for Kusama. We saw Kusama dropping to as low as $14. Kusama was one of the biggest gainers in the previous bull market. Starting 2020, trading around $1, we saw Kusama rally up to as high as $600, going up by more than 59,000% in just around 400 days. That's how crazy altcoins can pump in a bull market. But what happens in the bear market is exactly opposite of what happens in the bull market. Those altcoins can easily dump to gobbling town. We've seen Kusama lose more than 97% of its value in its first full crypto bear market. But we like altcoins because of this ability they have to pump thousands of percentages to the moon. And even though they dump 95% in the bear market, we can still see them having crazy pumps in the coming days and the coming weeks. For Kusama, we started 2023 on a very bright note. The highest we could get in 2023 was to trade as high as $49. But guys, we still believe we can rally above that $49 level. We just need all other factors to come in place. We need to see the altcoin market experiencing Altseason. Right now, we're halfway to an altcoin month. We need to see extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. We need to see altcoins pumping to the moon. When all those factors are taking shape, altcoins have been pumping to the moon over the last 1 month. Bitcoin saw a 26% increase. The altcoin market also saw a huge increase. Kusama is up 43% on a monthly time frame. Let's take a look at some key details about Kusama. Currently trading around $26 with a market cap of $222 million. Kusama has a 24-hour trading volume of over $38 million. We have a circulating supply sitting at 8.4 million tokens, a total supply of 9.6 million tokens. Kusama's fully diluted market cap sits at $252 million. Kusama's all-time high happened on the 18th of May 2021. It traded for as high as $623. The all-time low happened on 14th of January 2020. Kusama went to as low as $0.91. So why investors buying Kusama? Why should we expect to see it pump to higher prices in the coming days and coming weeks? Self-described as Polkadot's wild cousin, Kusama is an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide a massive, interoperable, and scalable framework for developers. Kusama is built on Substrate, a blockchain building kit developed by Parity Technologies. Kusama has almost the same code base as Polkadot, one of the most successful interoperable blockchain. Guys, we believe we'll see higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks. If you want to get some Kusama for yourself, you can get it on Binance, on Kraken, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. What's our all-season targets for Kusama? If we rally above that $49 level, guys, we'll continue pumping to higher prices. We may face some resistance when we get above $100, but the most important level I'll be watching out for, where I believe a lot of traders will be taking some profits off the table, will be around that $180 level. If we use our Fibonacci retracement tool to give us an idea where a lot of smart traders want to take some profits off the table, a lot of smart traders will start taking some profits off the table when we get to that $150 level. So from $150 to around $250, that's where you want to be selling for some sweet profit. Best case scenario, guys, before the end of the year, we'll see Kusama hit that $300 level. But if Kusama hits that $300 level, we would have seen it rally up by around 1,800% through the course of this Altseason. I've never seen Altseason. If we see Altseason, it means we would have seen altcoins outperform Bitcoin over a 90-day period. And over the last 90 days, Bitcoin has been doing well. Bitcoin is still up 23%. A lot of altcoins are still down bad. I expect to see them making that jump in the coming days and coming weeks. And we see 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. That will officially be alt season. And we're still waiting to see extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market, guys. Yes, there's greed in the market, but Bitcoin has been enjoying most of the inflow into the cryptocurrency market. When we start seeing extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market, that's when things will start getting very, very interesting. And that's when we expect Kusama to blast above that $49 level. Remember, guys, you're here to make some money. You want to buy low, you want to sell high. You want to buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. You want to sell when there's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. If you take a look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, two sides to a very wonderful story. So Kusama outperforming Bitcoin in the previous bull run, rallying up by more than 14,000%. But what happened in the bear market that followed after, guys? Kusama dumped Goblin Town, giving back most of those gains, losing 96% of his value against Bitcoin. We see alt season, expect to see Kusama outperforming Bitcoin in the short term, maybe 100, 200, maybe even as high as an 800% rally in the coming days and coming weeks. All coins are known to be very volatile in alt season. A lot of market participants will be running away from the altcoin market. A lot of market participants will be running away from the Bitcoin market into the altcoin market because they want to get those sweet gains. They want to see their Bitcoin multiply very, very quickly. Take a look at Kusama's market cap. We found support at the $145 million level. Till we rally above $400 million, guys, I'm sure a lot of people will still be scared. But the main party will start when we see Kusama trade above $400 million. Before the end of the year, I'll not be shocked to see us crack that $1 billion level. But when we start getting to that $1.5 billion level, guys, you want to be taking some profits off the table. Before we get to $1 billion, we would have seen Kusama rally up by around 400%. For us to get to that $1.5 billion level, Kusama would have been up 600%. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. What's your alt season targets for Kusama? Are you still buying more right now, expecting higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.